Okay, this question is asking us, Earth's outer core is blank, solid or liquid, mostly because of its blank pressure, temperature. Okay, now the layers of the Earth. We have the top layer is the crust. It is thin and hard, about 8 kilometers thick, and it can be thinner when under the ocean. Then the mantle, it takes up 84% of the Earth's volume. It's very thick. The temperature is about 3000 degrees Celsius. It is made up mainly, I didn't say fully, mainly solid rock, mainly silicates. Now, in this case, remember, plate tectonics are due to the motion of plates above the mantle. The mantle allows them to move, so it's not 100% solid in all parts of the mantle, but it's mainly solid. Now, here where confusion occurs, outer core and inner core. Of course, the inner is going to be subject to more pressure than the outer, because the inner is subject to the outer on top of it, as well as the mantle and the crust, while the outer is subject only to the mantle and the crust on top of it. So the outer is subject to less pressure than the inner. Now, both of them are made up of mainly iron and nickel. The outer core, and both of them are hot. Both of them are very hot, more than the 3000 degrees Celsius. Now, the outer core is going to be liquid, while the inner core is going to be solid. The inner core is a solid because of the extra pressure that it is subject to. The outer core, it is a liquid because of that high temperature. Now, the inner core would be liquid as well if it is not for the high pressure. The outer core, because it is liquid, it kind of moves around with the spinning of the Earth, and that motion is responsible for the magnetism of the Earth. Now, note that the outer core is really the only liquid layer in the Earth. So the answer to the question here, the outer core is liquid, mostly because of its temperature, because of the high temperature it is subject to.